today I'm going to show you how to make this Rice Krispies chocolate bar. So they basically look like this. So it's actually a breakfast Rice Krispies cereal coated in melted chocolate, chilled, and then cut into bars like this. They're very easy to make and you can make them any time of the year. So I hope you guys will stay until the end. Watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to make Rice Krispie chocolate bar and we're going to start by melting our chocolate. So I'm using chocolate chips here, dark chocolate chips. And to that, I'm just going to add some coconut oil. You can also use butter if you don't want to use coconut oil or if you don't have any coconut oil. And I'm going to add honey. You can also use maple syrup. And I'm going to add creamy peanut butter. And then just a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. And pure vanilla extract. It's not necessary, but I like adding it. So if you don't have it, don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, and then we're just going to microwave this until it's fully melted. Let's do that. Okay. So we're just going to mix it. So it took about 1 minute to melt this. You have to do it gradually in 30 seconds interval. So 30 seconds and you check on it, and then it's not yet fully melted, you return it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. If you don't want to use the microwave, you can also melt this like the bain-marie method. That's where you have a pan, pour the water, bring the water to like a simmer, and then put this bowl on top of the pan. Okay, so this is about what we're looking for, you see. So you don't want it to be too thick because it's going to be too heavy. So this is just perfect to coat our Rice Krispies. Okay, let's do that. So I have here my Rice Krispies and we're just going to make sure to use a large bowl so that it's easy to mix. As you can see, you need room to mix the Krispies. Just mix it. You can also add some nuts here or some marshmallow. So for this one, I'm just going to make it plain. And then for the other variation, I'm gonna make something with marshmallows, some nuts, and like the Easter version. So wait for that. There you go. So just make sure that everything is fully coated with chocolate. This is great. It smells so good. Now the pan. I have a 5 by 5 square pan. You can transfer it in a different size. Just, of course, the wider your pan, the thinner it will be. But you don't have to be limited to a 5 by 5 pan here. But I like using this one because it gives a thick bars. And this is a small batch. You can simply double the recipe and probably use like an 8-inch square pan. There you go. So you have to be patient with this because this is not yet ready. We have to chill this for at least minimum 1 hour. Just try to feel it. If it's like it's still not solid, so don't remove it. Okay. So we don't have to grease the pan because it's already lined with aluminum foil and there's so much coconut oil here. Okay. So let's have this chilled, and then when we come back, we're going to slice it. Let's do that. Okay, so I had this chilling for about 1 hour. So let's try to slice it. Okay, so it's time for us to try this bar. Mm. They're so crispy. They're so decadent. It's just amazing. It's so good. Like really good. Mm. Can you hear the crunch? Mm. You guys should really give this a try. Okay, until next time. Bye!